today's digital world, hackers don't knock, they break in. The question is, will you stop them or become one of the defenders? Introducing CEEH, Certified Expert Ethical Hacker Certification, a powerful, industry-focused program designed to turn beginners into real-world ethical hackers. CEEH is not just theory. It's a hands-on ethical hacking certification covering real attack techniques used by cybercriminals and how to detect, analyze, and stop them legally and ethically. You'll learn network web application hacking, malware payload analysis, Android system security, SOC incident response, AV EDR bypass concepts, and real-world penetration testing labs. Whether you're a student, IT professional, security enthusiast, or someone dreaming of a career in cybersecurity, CEEH is built for you. With expert-led training, practical labs, and an industry-aligned curriculum, CEEH helps you build skills that companies actually hire for. Not just certificates, but confidence. Start your journey today. Think like a hacker. Defend like a professional. Become a certified expert ethical hacker with CEEH.